For the official intro, as I filmed this a week and a half ago, and since then Gymshark have announced a sale, and it's actually today at 7 p.m. British summertime, and I will leave their website linked in the description box so you can go check that out if you want to purchase anything. Please still carry on watching this video. I'm hoping that the items in this video are on sale, although realistically I'm not sure they will, as they are new arrivals. But then if you haven't purchased from Gymshark, then check this video out anyway to see what their items look like on a UK size 10 girl. I absolutely love Gymshark. The quality is amazing. I do a few tests in the video to check out what the durability of these items are, and there's one thing that I'm definitely going to try and purchase again are socks. That is another item from this haul, and they are extremely comfy and soft, and yeah, so there's about 50% off selected lines, and it's a 24-hour sale, so don't forget to check that out. And thanks so much for watching. See you soon. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, All Things Yazz. I hope you guys are safe and well. In today's video I have a Gymshark haul for you. Now, for those of you who are regulars to my channel, you'll know how much I love Gymshark. I think it's the best gym wear brand out there at the moment, and I think it was a couple of weeks ago they released some new items and colours to their Flex collection, which I actually haven't tried out. I think it's absolutely stunning though, and I haven't yet tried it out, so I'm so excited to show you what I got and test them. I'm going to be doing a workout and a run later, so I'm going to definitely see if they are sweat proof, if they are squat proof, if they are run proof. I'm going to be doing a run later on, but if you are new, then welcome. My name is Yazz, but if you are regular and you haven't yet subscribed, then please hit that subscribe button just down below, give this video a thumbs up, ring my bell, join the family. We would love to have you, and without further ado, let's get into this haul. Okay guys, so let's open her up. I'm so excited to show you what I picked out. Now I am slightly disappointed though, because the outfit that I wanted to get, I wanted it in all the same colour, and the sports bra in this collection was sold out, and I was so upset. So the only thing that's different is the sports bra, but I think this one will work well, we hope. Again, it's from their new releases section. So let's start with the first item. I got a three-pack of socks. I haven't tried their socks out yet, but I have some puppies, some Portuguese water dogs, and they love socks, and they've been chewing all my socks, and I've got so many holes in them, so I needed some nice socks, and these look super comfy. They feel ridiculously soft, and I just got them in this really nice grey colour, and then they've got the white Gymshark tick. Now I went for a small, which is a UK 2 to 5, and I think I'm a size 5.5 to 6, so hopefully these will fit. Yeah, it is a size small. It's a shame that I can't actually try them on before I open the pack. They look stretchy though. They look stretchy. Let's hope those work. But other than that, I think they're really nice. They've got a nice high ankle bit, so any of my trainers won't rub. Really nice soft here, and soft padding on the toes as well. Really soft. I'm loving the colour. I didn't want to go for white. I don't know why. I didn't want to go for white. So we'll try those out in a minute. So let's have a look at the sports bra. Now this is the Adduct Seamless Sports Bra in grey. This is one of their new releases. It looks amazing on the models, and I really liked the look of this colour grey. It looks ridiculously supportive. It's got this kind of like double layer, which I really like, and the back looks gorgeous as well. I like kind of these detailed backs. It's got some nice padding in it. It feels really nice and stretchy. I'm just hoping that this colour will go nicely with the rest of the items. And again, I got this in a size small, guys, so I'm excited to try that out. Okay, on to the next item. Now, before I go into the next item, I did want to mention customer service. They have the best customer service I have ever experienced. I had a hole in one of my leggings in a recent haul. I think it was maybe May or April, and next day delivery, guys, I had a brand new pair of leggings, and I was so happy because they are my favourite leggings. They're maybe not sweat proof, but I'm not bothered about that because I wear them when I'm at home working out, and I wear them when I'm walking the dog. They're like the perfect, like nice comfy leggings, and I'm so glad that I got them a new pair, because honestly I would repurchase those again and again, and I just feel like I was unlucky that I got a faulty pair and they realised that. So I just love it. It just really adds to the brand as well. So moving on, now this is what I saw as soon as I clicked onto their new collection. I saw these and I was like, I've got to get them. These are the Flex cycling shorts in this hydro teal. Again, I went for the size small, and I'm just obsessed with the colour. I really wanted something to brighten up my gym wear wardrobe, and these have definitely done it. I love the Gymshark on the back. I love the sculpting bit, and I just think they're going to go with so many things in my gym wear wardrobe, and I'm just really hoping that these go, because with the Gymshark logo on the back, it looks like they might match up quite nicely. Now, I did try and get the Flex sports bra, but it was sold out, which was really sad. And I did also try to get it in the grey colour of the grey Flex sports bra, but again, that was sold out, which is really sad. And I will just try and link everything in the description box, and hopefully it won't be sold out. If it is, I'll link similar items down below as well. But yeah, I'm so excited to try these out. The reason why I wanted a pair of these is I have thick thighs, and I've got back into running again, and I have booked my flight to Portugal, hopefully, well, rebooked it, hopefully for the 31st of July, and I love running in Portugal so much, but obviously the heat, and with thick thighs comes rubbing in the heat, and I wanted something that, obviously I tan quite easily. I wanted something that would give my part of my legs a tan, but I didn't want to wear 3/4 leggings because I'll be really hot. I didn't want to wear short leggings because I am slightly conscious of my legs, and these just seemed to look, well, they looked perfect on the model, and they looked like they were nice and high-waisted and not too short on the legs, so I feel like I'd be comfortable to be running in them, because in a hot country I just want to wear a pair of shorts and a sports bra and go running, but I feel like these are gonna make me feel comfortable and not feel too exposed. And also, I like to go on bike rides in Portugal and here when it's nice and sunny, although it is raining currently. And I thought these would add a bit of colour and also look great with maybe a bikini on holiday or a sports bra for a bike ride as well. So I'm excited, excited to try these out. I'm going to leave the last item till last. I'm going to try out the 3 that I've mentioned now and see if this works as an outfit, and let's hope, guys, that it does. Okay guys, so I'm back and here are my first impressions. I'm actually in love with this set. I love it so much. So let's start with the bra. I am adoring this sports bra. It's got a nice length to it. I'm loving this double layer section. I really like it. I think it's the most supportive sports bra I own from Gymshark. I love it. The back looks amazing and it just feels really nice and comfy. Onto the socks. Now, on the size guide, I think it was up to a 5 for a size small, and I got the small, and I'm a 5.5 to a size 6. These fit absolutely fine, guys. There is more than enough room in here. They're ridiculously soft and comfy. I'm glad I went for the grey. They look so good. I'm definitely going to be wearing these with all of my shoes. And I might actually go back and buy a white pair. I really love them. And then these shorts. Oh, guys. They're lovely and high-waisted. They're ridiculously sculpting on the bum. I feel so comfortable and confident in them. And I feel like the grey and the blue go nicely together. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. But I think this outfit goes really well. I would definitely be more than confident to go running in this outfit in Portugal or in the UK, to be fair. And I really like how bright and vibrant these shorts make me feel. I feel so good wearing them. So let's move on to the last item of this haul. I am so excited. So when I saw the shorts, I was just so obsessed with the colour and I really wanted the full outfit. So I went and got the full outfit, apart from the sports bra. So this is, let me just see the tag, the Flex crop top, again in the Hydro Teal, matching the cycling shorts. I love this colour so much. This feels super nice and stretchy and soft. I'm loving the accenting bit. So we've got this bit here, and then on the back we've got the written Gymshark, and then this open section, which is nice. Oh, there we go. And then actually, does it have, yeah, it has a bit for your thumb as well. I really like that. It's got a nice neckline to it, not too high up. I'm so excited to try this out, and this looks good on all shapes and sizes, I think. Oh yes, when I saw this I thought, you know, maybe in England when it's got that chill to it and I want to go running, I could pop this on with a pair of high-waisted leggings, because I do find that I get really warm on runs, but I don't want to wear a jacket and take it off and have to tie it around. I just think this is going to be perfect. So let me pop this on and hopefully this works really well with the outfit. Okay guys, I am so obsessed with this outfit. I think this Gymshark outfit is possibly my favourite that I've ever bought from there. It just like works so well, it looks amazing, it feels amazing. Now if I'm going to be honest, something like this I would not normally buy. I bought it purely because it looked amazing on the model, but in my head I just thought that looks like it's going to be so difficult to get on. And I was so wrong, it was so easy, it feels really nice. It's not restrictive, the arms are not too tight, this bit feels amazing, it's not irritating me. I'm loving how breathable it feels in here. Like normally my ring light makes me feel really warm and quite hot. If I'm ever wearing a jumper or anything in black, I'm feeling super hot. But no, I feel fine. And I really like the open bit at the back, and I really do think that this bra, this sports bra, goes quite well with the outfit as an alternative to the matching one. So if you can't get a hold of that one, then I think this one is a great alternative, and it's possibly my favourite to date. It's just so comfortable and supportive. Again, I really like these accenting features on here, the little Gymshark logo. And yeah, I just adore it so much. So I think what I'm going to do next is I'm going to really test out this outfit. I'm going to test out the socks. I'm going to see how this all works on a workout. So I'm going to head downstairs to meet Will in the gym, and I'm going to do a 10-minute ab workout with him, and then go on to do a 40-minute run with him up hills in the rain. We're going to test this out to the max, and I will come back to you with my final verdict.
To where I've been lately. Yeah, her love can make a person hazy.
We've done the run, and it took us around about 36 minutes. I am sweating so much, but to be honest, it doesn't look like I've sweated. I don't feel wet, to be honest. This was ridiculously comfy. There was no chafing on the thighs at all. These are great running shorts. And my socks, no blisters. I felt like my feet were cushioned the entire way through. I put on a waterproof jacket, but honestly, I don't feel like I need it. Yeah, this outfit, all the items definitely get my stamp of approval. So yeah. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this Gymshark haul. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this outfit. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a massive thumbs up. Join the family, we would love to have you. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Stay safe. Bye for now.